I just think this thing is really super cool. Here from Johnny Lightning. Got a 33 Ford sedan delivery. It's part of this Clue series. Don't care too much for the graphics. Got my dog drinking water in the background. Metal on metal, very heavy. Big shout out to you. If you were at the party last night, nice. We had a good time. At the Puro Humo Smoke Shop. Hell yeah. Really cool place to hang out. Really good roller. Really cool casting. Just something about it, man. Just the way it feels. It's just the delivery van, whatever. It's got the whole bakery thing happening. I don't know nada about the game or anything, but really cool. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Johnny Lightning can make a solid casting. So, really impressive. Sorry about that. I have to kind of get my hand all weird and stuff sometimes. Let's see, taking it out the frame. Another hot day here in San Antonio. It's gonna be another hot day. We're about ready for fall. But it's also back to school for a lot of folks. So thank you for tuning in.